Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we had covered the basics of networking. We then looked at different networking devices and network vendors. We then looked at different networking terminologies. And finally, looked at how automation and orchestration would help in managing large and complex networks. We will now look at how Anuta Networks Atom helps service providers and enterprises around the world to handle their network infrastructure. Atom is deployed in many customer networks across the globe and helps by providing assurance, telemetry, and orchestration for multi-vendor networks. Atom also supports multiple domains like branch, campus, data center, and even cloud workloads. Atom not only helps in provisioning of network devices, it also closely monitors the network, gets the feedback from the network, and takes corrective actions to ensure network uptime, thus creating smart and self-healing networks. Let us look at some of the key features of Atom and how its differentiating features really helps organizations in accelerating their network operations by automating complex tasks. Onboarding and software maintenance. Onboarding a new device is like onboarding a new employee into an organization. The organization also gets all the details of the employee and store it with them. The employee is also told about his roles and responsibilities. Similarly, when Atom onboards a new set of network devices from a multi-vendor network, it gets all the details about the network devices and its capabilities. It can then push the configurations to those devices such that they become operational and start serving the network. The configurations are like the different dialects of languages that devices understand. We had discussed this in one of our previous videos. Atom uses SNMP, SSH, or any other protocols to access the network devices. This is exactly like the same language analogy in a classroom we had discussed in one of our previous videos. Cisco Plug and Play. Cisco, which is one of the networking vendors, supports a feature called Plug and Play. This can be better understood with an analogy as shown here. You might have noticed how a USB pen drive starts automatically working when you plug it into the Windows PC. All necessary configurations for the devices are loaded and the device starts working immediately. Similarly, in Cisco Plug and Play, Atom acts like a plug and play server, similar to the Windows server we just discussed. Once the device connects to Atom, it identifies itself with its serial number. And once Atom verifies the serial number with its database, it pushes the configurations to the device to make it operational in no time. Software image management is another aspect where Atom helps. Network vendors keep releasing new features, and the same are packaged into new software versions for their product. In the analogy here, we have a smartphone getting upgraded to its new version. Let's say you get notified that there's a new software image available for your phone. And when you opt to upgrade, a set of pre-checks are done, for example, like verifying if there is enough space on your phone for the image to be downloaded. And if there is no enough space, the upgrade cannot proceed. Once the pre-checks are done, the upgrade proceeds and the phone gets restarted. A set of post-checks are also performed to make sure that the upgrade was successful. Similarly, Atom can do pre-checks on the network device. For example, make sure that there is enough space on the device for the software to be downloaded. Once the image is downloaded to the device from a software image repository, Atom can help in the upgrade process. And finally, once the device comes up after the reboot process, Atom can run post checks to make sure that the upgrade was successful. There are more features which Atom supports. Let's take a look at that in the next video. Let's take a quick recap of what we have discussed so far. We discussed how Atom helps in onboarding of devices. This could be during a new network rollout. Atom acts as a plug-and-play server supporting Cisco's plug-and-play protocol and helps devices to come online in no time. And finally, how Atom supports software image management and ensures successful upgrades through a set of pre-checks and post-checks. Thanks for watching.